Hi, it's Kana. Welcome back to my closet. I am doing an intro for the Graveyard Project pan. I wanted to enter this one like a couple years ago when they first started it, and I just had so much going on that I just didn't really think it was feasible. So I sadly didn't do it. And then 2020 was just a shit show. So forget about 2020. So yeah, I am entering it this year and I'm really excited. It's like a contest now. I'm joining this year. I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyway, this project was created by Emily from Emily and Max. I will leave all the information down below. There is a sign-up sheet, master list, so that you can binge watch everybody. So the idea, if you don't know already, I'll go ahead and explain. The idea is there are two categories. There is the resurrection category, and these are items that have been in previous project pans, but you didn't finish them, or you finished your goal, but you didn't like finish them. You know what I'm saying? The other category over here is the cobwebs. So that is going to be a product that you have had kind of sitting around, getting dusty, collecting cobwebs, you know, that kind of thing. It doesn't really have to be something like super old. It could just be something that you just should really be getting more use out of and you haven't pulled it out in a long time. That's what's happening with one of mine, but we'll get to that. So anyway, some of mine cross over like both categories. One product is in both, you know, and it's just, I have a pretty good mix. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into those. I have them right here. So the first thing I thought of when I knew I was gonna do this was hair care, because I have like BoxyCharm and Ipsy stuff that I got and I don't use it. Like, I wash my hair once a week and I don't put product in it because I don't wanna wash my hair more than once a week. You know what I'm saying? I thought of a hair care product also to kind of keep me from going crazy with all the other projects I have makeup products in. I thought this would help me out just a little bit, but also I just really need to get some hair care products out of here. That being said, this is not from a BoxyCharm or an Ipsy. I bought this. I paid pretty good money for it. It was not cheap. So this is Cult and King. It is a balm. It just says balm. Just balm. This is the Botanical Synergies Godsend. It's skincare, it's hair balm, it's shave cream, smooth ends, define curls, moisturize, depuff, create separation, exfoliate, dab under eyes, moisture for body, hands, feet, tattoos, pre-shave, shave after shave, face, legs, underarms, soften and shape beard, all genders, no toxins, hair to toe. Cult and King. And this thing is really cool because it's like bamboo and you can actually get like a refill and just, it's like they don't use the same packaging every time. You can just get the refill to put in here. So that's pretty cool. But it's like this all natural. It smells so good. Anyway, the reason I bought this was to texturize my hair because I really like that textured kind of look. So if I do use a product in my hair, it's generally going to be this one, something like this, a texturizer. So anyway, it looks like this. I don't know if you're going to be able to see in there. How about that? That's better. But anyway, yeah, it's not, I've used it a few times, but I want to use it because it is all natural and I don't want it to like go bad, and I just use it for my hair. I don't use it for all of those things, but you know what, since it's a multi-purpose thing and this is a project pan, I might experiment with that, so that's cool. This I can't mark or anything, so I'm gonna go ahead and weigh it after and then I will let you know in the next update. Oh, by the way, this project updates every 2 months, which is also really cool because I got a lot going on and that really helps me out. So, Cult and King Balm, product number 1. Sticking with the hair care theme, I have this PYT Argan oil treatment, and I put this in my hair after I get out of the shower. It makes it feel so nice. So this doesn't really do anything as far as like texture or style. It just really like makes my hair soft and shiny, and I like it. So I will show you the mark I have is right here. I just marked it. So I don't know if you can see that right there, but that's where we are. It is more than halfway gone. Just a little bit goes a long way, but I really do love this in my hair. So that's going to be my second one, and it won't interfere with the other because I use them for different reasons. So next, oh, I didn't even tell you. Such a dork. Okay, these two have never been in a project. So these are the Cobwebs. They've been sitting around. This is very old. This is from a BoxyCharm or an Ipsy, and I've had it for years. So this needs to go. And I've had this for a couple of years now because I haven't been to get my hair cut in a long time. But so these are Cobwebs. And I'm an airhead. Sometimes. Okay, this next product has definitely been in a project pan or two before. It has a few lines on it. The bottom line is the current line, but it is the Elixir of Dreams Pillow Mist from Earth Therapeutics. I love this stuff. It's like lavender, valerian. It smells delicious. I put this on my pillow at night to help me sleep. I haven't had sleeping issues, but I've had this forever and it needs to go. So this is a Cobweb product, and it is also a resurrection product. It covers both. So I really want this gone. Like it's halfway. It's about halfway. I don't know if I showed you, but the line is right here, the bottom line. So yeah, I just want to use this because it smells delicious and I need to use it up. I need to get it off my bedside table. Okay, so that's 3. This is gonna be, again, this next product is gonna be a resurrection product for sure. It was in the Project Pan Roulette collab, and it is also pretty old and is collecting cobwebs. So this is my NYX blush in taupe, and it's pretty well loved. I freaking love this thing. I've just been working on so many other things that I've kind of forgot about it in my drawer. I mean, I think about it now and then, but I haven't pulled it out. But yeah, it has a nice little pan in it, which ironically did not happen during the project that it was in, of course. But there it is, and it's also pretty well dipped in all over. So I want to go ahead and use this. I tend to use this as a blush and a powder contour. I really love this. It's one of my favorite old standby products, and I'm really looking forward to using it again. But again, like I said, this is encompassing kind of both categories. And my goal is to use it up. Did I say that? My goal is to use everything up. I don't know if that's gonna happen, but that's my goal because I want like a lofty goal, and then if I don't meet it, I'm still gonna be happy I got use out of them. So that's fine. Okay, the last item, because I only have 5. I didn't want to go crazy. I mean, I failed. I went a little crazy. You're gonna see that now. The next item I pulled, I went ahead and kind of pulled this because this project ends on October 31st. Halloween, that is a very special day for me. Can you see my shirt? It's Sally and Jack. My husband and I, our anniversary is the 31st, and Halloween's my favorite holiday anyway. I'm obsessed with Halloween. If you see in the background here, there's like a PR kit. It wasn't, like, I didn't get it in PR. It's a kit that I bought, but it's this whole LA Splash thing, classic horror collection. And I'm gonna use something from that. It's the palette. It is the LA Splash Presents Classic Horror Eyeshadow Palette. It's got this sleeve, it's cute. And then the artwork on this is incredible, you guys. But there it is. It's just beautiful. It's this like old school, vintage, like horror creatures, but they're all like female. So that's kind of cool. I love that little twist on it. or feminine, I guess. But anyway, this palette is so pretty. It's hard to see because it's so shiny. There it is. Oh my God, I love her so much. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to this. It's got Toxic, Psycho, Madness, Curse, Blue Moon, Zombie, Nightmare, 13th, Voodoo, and Lights Out. Oh, it's so pretty. I am not panning this to completion, obviously. I have a lot of eyeshadow projects going on, or projects with eyeshadows in them, and I just thought, why not add a bunch more? Because even though I have a lot of eyeshadows to work on, I get bored with just the few, you know? Like, I mean, I have like over 100 palettes, and when I'm using like one palette worth all the time, that gets a little boring. Even though I do dip into the you know what I'm saying? It gets a little dull. So I wanted to add some more eyeshadows. So there are 10 eyeshadows in here, and I think I want to use all of them. I want to use each of these shadows 2 times. Like every one of them, I want to use them twice. So I think that's reasonable. I don't want to make it too crazy because I have other stuff going on. But anyway, Ellie Splash Classic Horror, that is my final product in this project. I might bring something else in if I finish something. I might roll something in. That's a possibility, but for now I'm just gonna do the minimum of 5, and I'm really excited about it. Anyway, that's gonna be it. If you guys like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, anything at all, leave those down below in the comments. I love talking to you guys. I will pop up some videos for y'all to watch, and I will see y'all later. Bye.